Check the package condition. Slowly put the package down after unboxing it. Take out the accessories box first, then pull out the Poseidon E40 projector. Note, if needed, please flip the handle downward to adjust the projection angle. Intelligent obstacle avoidance. Enter, Settings. Projection. Keystone settings. Turn off, Auto Keystone, and turn on, Intelligent obstacle avoidance, then re-enable, Auto Keystone. Realize the intelligent obstacle avoidance for the image. Intelligent screen avoidance. Press the Settings button on the remote control. Select Projection. Keystone settings. Turn off Auto Keystone, and turn on Intelligent Screen Avoidance, then re-enable Auto Keystone. Performs intelligent screen alignment. Note, the projector must align the points at the four corners of the focused picture with the four corners of the screen. Manual corner correction. Select Setting. Projection. Corner correction. Press OK button to select the corner you want and press the navigation button on the remote control to adjust. Select Keystone Correction Reset to reset the picture. Remote control pairing. Power on to enter pairing mode. Long press back and home simultaneously for 10 seconds to pair the remote. iOS casting. Go to Google Play Store and download AirScreen app on the Android TV interface. Open the AirScreen app and follow the on-screen instructions to set up. Open the video app on your iOS device and tap Cast. Select AS-D1221 to start casting. Note, please make sure the projector and smartphones are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Android casting. Enter the Android TV interface and connect to Wi-Fi. Tap Cast in the upper right corner of the video app for your Android phone. Select D1221 to start casting. Note, please make sure the projector and smartphones are connected to the same Wi-Fi.